Hi, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today my topic name is business process. What is a business process? A business process is an activity or set of activity that accomplish a specific organizational goal. Business process should have purposeful goal, be as specific as possible and produce consistent outcome. Business process management is a systematic approach to improving those processes which help organization achieve their business goal. If an organization is unable to perform certain business process internally due to cost of research, the compare mind use business process outsourcing. May organization contract specific business tasks such as payroll, human research or accounting to a third party service provider. The measure the success of a business process organization track the completion of different steps within the process, benchmark or evaluate the quality of the process endpoint. When an organization determines the business process is not achieving the desired goal or outcome, there are several strategies it can use for improvement. For example, an organization might option to focus on business process visibility to identify issue in process performance or execution. Organization also enhance in business process mapping to help the boost the effectiveness of their business operation. Business process mapping provide a visual representation of how different process functions and give organization better visibility in how their business work. Why are business process important? They help organization identify and understand the actual work required to keep the light on and to achieve organizational objective. They break that work into organizational repeatable steps that workers can follow to achieve consistent outcome. Using repeatable step to produce consistent outcome help organization to more accurately predict the research they need, thereby lowering the risk of over under provisional valuable research. The consistent repeatable nature of defined business outcome help lower the risk of employee introducing workaround or individual step that can causes disruption, slow work and increase error rate. Being able to better measure the efficiency and effectively of an individual step with the process enable team to identify and mind ineffectively and bottleneck to improve performance. This founder business process, business procedure, business function. There are numerical concept and corresponding term to desirable that art and science of running of business, with business processing being only one of them. Business procedure and business function of two the other frequently used term, although similar sounding, they each describe different organizational idea as not below. A business process, as previously stated, is a series of related tasks that result in a desired output. It is an established set of repeatable activity. A business procedure is a clearly way of understanding a business process. It details the term and individual workers responsible for each part of the process as well as the specification applicable to performing completing each of these parts. A business function is a organizational unit within an enterprise or organization, each business function has its own specific set of responsibility and activity that it must execute to support the business as it carries out its mission and overall objectives. Although these terms describe concept required to operational and organization, they are not interchangeable. Thank you.